Hey guys, my name is Victor Vibes Uganda, a music video director based in Atlanta, Georgia, and I've been doing music video for almost 3 years, and I feel like I have the knowledge and the skills and the experience to share with you guys so that the upcoming director, you shouldn't do the mistakes that I did. Yes, we all know the first videos are very terrible, but once you get the algorithm, as you get the lesson, as you know the skills, as you get along, you get with more other creatives, more other directors, you learn a lot. And I feel like today, you who is watching this video as a music video director, especially an upcoming music video director, I have 3 tips that will absolutely change your music videos. 3 tips that will change your music videos. Before I continue with this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, I've started vlogging, I've started dropping these videos so that I teach. Like, people didn't teach us when we're studying. Everybody was talking about networking, shoot free videos. No, I'm not telling you to shoot any free music videos, because you put on your skills, your gear, your time. So don't shoot any free music video. Anyways, tip number 1, get at least 50 millimeter lens, prime. This lens is gonna change all your life. This lens is gonna change all the music video you're gonna do from after watching this video. Yes, so this 50 millimeter, it changes the music videos. It has a very nice sharpness, and it brings everything to life that you creators will thank me later after using it. Tip number 2, get a tripod. Fuck handheld. Don't try to I can do handheld shot, I can shoot handheld. No, your shaky footage is poor than one tripod footage. And this is a cheap tripod I just got from a friend. This is actually a cheap one. So instead of doing like this, every upcoming director, we always want to shoot handheld, we always want to show that we can do it. But trust me, nobody's gonna hire you with your shaky footage. So get yourself a tripod, get yourself a 50 millimeter f1.8 or f1.4. You're gonna get a blurry background. You're gonna get that smooth shot. You're gonna get the sharpness of these two. And the last one, get a light. Nothing is gonna be good without the light, trust me. So right now we're shooting. Yes, we're shooting using 3-point lighting. 3-point lighting. One is lighting over there, another one is right here to fill and bring the cinematic. Bless you. Nothing will be nice without a light. Like right now, I'm shooting. Yes, I'm recording this video on Blackmagic 6K Pro. But yes, there's some lights. There's lights here, there's light there, and there is in the background. I don't know if you can see it. So these 3 tips, once you master them, once you master how to use your tripod very well, once you master how to shoot your frames and frame, everything is gonna be perfect. I want you to keep on subscribing to this channel, because I'm gonna be dropping down the process of making music videos. Whoever wants to learn about music video, this is the right channel. You're here. Again, my name is Victor Vibes Uganda, music video director. and see you in the next video. Bye bye.